Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start in Safari. You want to confirm whether private browsing is active and why it matters. Open Safari now, then create a new window. You need to see the window style. If the Smart Search field and toolbar are darker or say private, that signals private mode. Once done, you know whether to toggle settings or close specific windows. Make sure you're signed into iCloud if you want tabs synced later. That's only relevant after you exit private mode. Now you'll exit private browsing by opening a standard Safari window. Press Command-N or choose File New Window so you create a non-private session. Close any windows labeled private. Safari isolates history, cookies, and autofill in those windows. Once done, new activity records in history and iCloud as configured. If you rely on tab groups, switch to one that isn't private so your tabs persist. Make sure to reopen any needed sites. Private window. Finish by confirming Safari's behavior. Open Safari preferences privacy and check cookie and website data settings because aggressive blockers can appear like private mode. If closing private windows didn't help, restart Safari, and if needed, restart your Macbook. That clears lingering session state. If private browsing still seems stuck, disable extensions or content blockers temporarily as they can hide history or block cookies. Then try opening a new window again. One key troubleshooting tip: rebooting usually resolves stubborn session issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.